Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about affine cipher. In our last classes, we clearly discussed about the additive cipher and multiplicative cipher. There we have discussed the cryptanalysis also. Please watch those classes and come back here. We are going to use those concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, it is very simple technique to understand, but at the end we are going to do some discussion about cryptanalysis. So that is very important to understand. Let's come to understand what is affine cipher. So in our last class when we discussed about the additive cipher, what are the key domain? How many keys are possible in additive cipher? So additive cipher we are using Z26, that is the possible keys that are available are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 25. 25 possible keys are available. So that's why in our last classes when we discussed the cryptanalysis of additive cipher, it is affected using brute force attack. Why? Because only limited number of keys possible. Similarly, when we discussed about the keys in multiplicative cipher, what are the possible keys in multiplicative cipher? It is given as Z26 star, which is multiplication, that is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the keys available in multiplicative cipher. Only 12 keys possible in multiplicative cipher. Why? Because we need inverse element for each element, then only multiplicative inverse possible. Multiplicative cipher possible. Otherwise it is not possible. All the elements in the Z26 will not contain the inverse element. So that's why only the elements that is having inverse element are acted as a key in multiplicative cipher. Now coming to the affine cipher. Affine cipher is a combination of addition and multiplicative cipher. Means we are increasing the complexity. The points you need to understand: whenever we increase the complexity, is it difficult to identify the keys using brute force effect? Yes. As the complexity increases, identifying the key also using brute force attack is also increases. That is the point you need to understand after completion of this affine cipher. So as much complex you are, the less possible to attack. So now coming to the affine cipher, how we are going to use is, see, let's take the formula for encryption in affine cipher is C means ciphertext is equal to P multiplied by K1. K1 is from the multiplication domain, key domain, we are going to pick one value as key, that is considered as K1. P multiplied by, P means plain text multiplied by K1 plus K2. K2 is the key from additive cipher. How many keys we are using here? 2 keys we are using, one from the multiplicative domain, one from the additive domain. So this is the encryption formula, mod 26. You take the plain text, we do example now. We take the plain text, apply this formula, we are getting the encrypted, means ciphertext we are going to get. When we go to decryption, P, plain text is equal to ciphertext. Take the ciphertext C minus, first you have to do the subtraction of K2. Then multiply with K1 inverse element, mod 26, you are going to get the decrypted value, means plain text will be obtained by applying the decryption. So this is what we will do in a affine cipher. Let's take an example. If you want to convert a hello, take the first character H. The keys we are using here is K1 is equal to 7, K2 is equal to 2. So plain text H. H means what's the value for H? 7 is the value for H. Because for all the in our previous classes we already discussed why this H is equal to 7. We assign numbers for each character. Now encryption is 7 multiplied by our key is 7 plus 2 modulus 26, which is 25. 25 means in our numbers 25 means Z. So H is converted to Z. In the plain text if you are having H, in the ciphertext we are having a Z. Now coming to the decryption, Z can be converted. Z means 25. 25 minus 2. First you need to do the subtraction multiplied by 7 inverse. What is the 7 inverse element, that we need to use it here, modulus 26, that is equal to 7. How to find the inverse element in multiplicative this set we already discussed in our previous classes. So Z again converted to H. So this is what the technique we are going to use in affine cipher. As we increase the complexity, still affine cipher is brute force attack possible. Yes, brute force attack is possible on affine cipher. Why it is possible? What is the key domain? Means how many keys are possible to test. Brute force means apply all possible keys. So now what is the key domain means how many keys are possible. See here, how many keys are possible here? See, we are taking K1, K2. K1 from this set, K2 from this set. How many possible keys are there for K1? 12. Take the first one, 1. Apply all possible keys in K2. Take the second key from K1. Apply all possible keys in K2. Take the third one. Apply all. This is how we are going with brute force attack. Means we need to check all possible keys. How many possible keys are there? 12 multiplied by 25. In this set we are having 12 and in this set we are having 25. So 12 multiplied by 25. These many possibilities are there. Yes, we can easily identify 12, 25 means it's around 300 like that. If you test all the possible keys, you are going to get the actual cipher text. So it is possible to attack affine cipher using brute force attack. Similarly, statistical attack, is it possible? Yes, statistical attack is possible. What statistical attack means? You take the, see here, HELLO, L is repeated 2 times. Statistical analysis means, statistical attack means, in English the frequently used character is E. So we are not going to change any statistical values are same. Suppose if you are having E, HELLO, ECT. Here E is there, second time you are having E is there. So the same output you are going to get. Here E, if you convert E, suppose assume that if you convert E, you are going to get K as the output. For the second E also you are going to get the K as the output. So frequency is not changing. So that's why statistical attack is also possible. In our last classes we already discussed about statistical attacks. Please, if you get confused, please watch that again from the previous classes and come back here. So hope you understand what affine cipher means. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.